Sino po dito in the last few days nasabi na ang mga salitang, pagod na ako, I'm tired? Magandang umaga po. Ako po si Joyce Cruz, one of the many Victory Group leaders here in Victory Alabang. Let me encourage you po with this verse found in Hebrews 13:15-16. It says, through Him, let us continually offer up a sacrifice of praise to God. That is, the fruit of lips that acknowledge His name. Do not neglect to do good and to share what you have, for such sacrifices are pleasing to God. Ayan. While I was reflecting on these passages po, isa yung salita na medyo paulit-ulit na name-mention, sacrifice. I'm sure lahat po sa atin dito, kahit nasa ang season tayo ng buhay natin, meron tayong mga sacrifice na ginagawa. Ayan. Kung tayo po ay estudyante pa lang, meron po tayong mga estudyante dito na athlete din, no? They sacrifice a lot during training, yung kanilang pagising ng maaga, yung mga physical activities nila, they even do diet, no? Pag nasa training. So, para sa mga nag-work po dito, no, we sacrifice a lot to do good at the work that we do, di ba? Especially yung mga Netflix time, ayan, nasa-sacrifice na natin yan when we want a project to be accomplished. And probably for yung mga nasa season katulad ko, a parent, no, moms, or even dads, we sacrifice something na malamang namimiss na natin gawin, ang sleep, no, ang tulog na mahaba. Yan, because we balance a lot of things. And of course, even sa ministry, we do a lot of sacrifice. Ayan. So kumbaga, lalo na sa ating mga Christian, sacrifice is medyo basic na lang, parang part na ng ating buhay. But in this verse, we are asked to continually offer a sacrifice of praise. Hindi lang isang beses, paulit-ulit. We are asked to make it a habit. And dahil po tayo, syempre ay tao lang, dumadating tayo sa panahon na dahil we give a lot, diba? Sacrifice is giving up something. We sometimes tend to feel na napapagod na tayo. Sino po dito in the last few days nasabi na ang mga salitang, pagod na ako, I'm tired? Uy, hindi lang ako nag-iisa, praise God. Pero okay lang po yun, dahil tao lang talaga tayo, di ba? Nakakapagod talaga, di ba? But this verse also reminded us kung anong gagawin natin pag tayo ay napapagod. Or paano ba tayo hindi mapagod? The first two words of this verse, of this passage says, through Him. Hindi po tayo. Kasi po tayo, ay ang ating strength ay very limited. But through Him, or in other translation, through Jesus Christ, we can do these things. We can give, we can do good for other people. Kasi through Him, blessings overflow. Through Him, our strength is replenished. Through Him, love and grace abound. I pray that we are reminded, pag napapagod na tayo, we are reminded of a sweet, sweet promise that God gave His people. And it was actually reminded in the first few verses of Hebrews 13. No? And it could easily be the best love song ever written. Sabi dito, hindi kita iiwan at hindi kita pababayaan.